Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do weekly love reading for fire sign Sagittarius for the month of December, and this is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. So Sagittarius, let's see your messages. So take what resonate and leave the rest, guys. So your first card, Empress. Wow, very good start for you. Six of Cups. Two cards I am not taking. Ace of Swords. Yeah, it's you, Sagittarius. You stand by your power, definitely. You overcome lot of things in your life, definitely, like pain, trauma, whatever. Definitely you overcome all your pain, and definitely this is your strength. You stand by your power. For some, I think your person coming back for reconciliation. I think your person maybe already communicate you regarding this for some, or for some your person going to contact you for reconciliation. Definitely Ace of Swords, truth coming out, communication, and Six of Cups. Definitely they want reconciliation with you, and for some you also feel some soulmate connection and past life connection with your person, Sagittarius. Definitely, because these strong soulmate and past life connection with each other. Definitely for some you also want reconciliation with your person. Definitely honest communication, truth coming out. Some communication is going to be happen between you and your person in near future. For some it is already happened, and definitely you stand by your power this time. Yeah, whatever is going to be happen will happen no matter what, but you stand by your power. Yeah, you are going to be. So you or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's see some more. Ace of Pentacles, Five of Pentacles, Hermit. I think one person in this connection may be spiritually awakening. I think it's your person. It could be you or your person. Energy could be vice versa. Take what resonate. Definitely there is separation between both of you still going for some. I think your person coming back for reconciliation, Sagittarius. Yes, they are coming back with honest, I think long-term commitment, Ace of Pentacles. They are coming back with this offer, Sagittarius. I think your person may be not talking to you because they are undergoing some spiritual awakening. I am getting that they are realizing your worth after the separation. You or your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Virgo. Let's see some more. Seven of Pentacles, Knight of Wands, Eight of Pentacles. Yeah, they're rushing towards you, and this time they want to work on this relationship. For some, definitely you are concentrating on your career right now. You're working towards your goals, and you're working hard. Yeah, towards your goals. For some, your person rushing towards you, they are very, very passionate about you. Someone from past coming back to you, and they are in this energy. They are very, very passionate about you, Sagittarius. Yeah, I think you already invested in this connection, definitely. For some, you are waiting for the results. Yeah, you are waiting for your person to come back to you. Yeah, they're coming back, Sagittarius. But it will take some time if this person is your person, spiritual awakening. But right now they are undergoing some spiritual awakening. After that, they will come to you. Okay, let's see some more. Three of Wands, King of Cups. Yeah, they are rushing towards you, communication. Yeah, I think for some you turn your back from your person in recent past, definitely. And for some it could be long distance relationship also. You both live in different city, different countries, and different states. Definitely you turn your back from your person because there is no equal give and take. The one person who always put effort in this connection, who always invest in this connection, is you. There is no equal give and take. That's why you turn your back from your person, but they are rushing towards you. Yeah, with Knight to King, definitely it is a good change. Definitely they have strong emotions for you. They want to offer their cup of love to you. They're rushing towards you, Sagittarius. If you're waiting for your person, for some, definitely you are waiting for your person. For some, there is waiting game. I think your person also waiting for you to come towards them, but you are waiting for them to come towards you. This is like waiting game between both of you. You or your person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's see your person current feelings and the near future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity. Okay. So let's see first your person current feelings, Sagittarius. Yeah, Princess of Swords, Empress, Five of Wands. Definitely your person spying on you on social media. There is some communication, some messages coming in, and the Empress, definitely they seeing you like an Empress. Definitely stand by your power. 2 times the Empress card. They're thinking about you positively. Sagittarius, Five of Wands. For some there is some disturbances, still fighting going between you and your person. For some, your person ready to fight for your attention. Yeah, they're ready to fight for your attention. You or your person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Let's see the near future actions towards you, Sagittarius. Lot of cards, but one card, Judgment. Nine of Cups and the World. Yeah, this could be long distance relationship and same cycles repeating between you and your person again and again. Definitely Judgment. Someone in this connection are going to be make some major decisions. Definitely they are wishing for this connection. Yeah, they want reconciliation with you. Judgment. Definitely I think you are going to make some decisions, Sagittarius, or your person. I think you are their wish fulfillment, Sagittarius. This time, yeah, they want reconciliation with you. They see you like an Empress. Definitely you are their wish fulfillment. They are coming back for reconciliation. Already I told you, because they are rushing towards you. Yeah, the World. I think this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different state, different cities. Some distance involved in this connection. Okay. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed in near future. So you or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Lot of water energies here. Seven of Cups, Seven of Wands. Queen of Pentacles, Page of Pentacles. Yeah, communication. I think the one person who always give in this connection, very caring and sharing person is you, Sagittarius. Yeah, I think you have a lot of options in your life, like career wise, definitely, but your person don't give up on you. Yeah, you are their wish fulfillment. They are coming back for reconciliation. Definitely for some there will be reconciliation, some messages coming in. I think your person may be spying on you on social media. Yeah, they don't want to give up on you. Yeah, they want reconciliation. Some communication is going to be happen between both of you, but you stand by your power. Definitely for some, you already concentrated on your career and goals. Eight of Pentacles. For some, your person really want to work on this relationship. So I think your person don't want to give up on you. I'm getting the same message again and again. You or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So Sagittarius, let's see your overall energy for the week. Yeah, King of Swords, Queen of Wands. See your card, Death, Emperor. Wow, what I told you in the starting of reading. Definitely stand by your power. Yeah, now you are very stable, and definitely you are also undergoing some spiritual awakening. You or your person could be Scorpio also, and Queen of Wands. It's your card. Definitely you stand by your power, definitely, and your person is very attracted to you. And King of Swords, you are very honest person. You are very giving person. You always speaks truth, Sagittarius. Wow, very positive reading for you. So let's see your person overall energy for the week. Emperor, Two of Cups, the Fool, the Sun. Yeah, they see you like they see you are their positive in their life. And the Fool, definitely they want brand new beginnings with you. And Two of Cups, definitely there is equal love between both of you. You also love your person, but you overcome that what obsession. Yes, you overcome the obsession. And Emperor, definitely now they want to offer stability and long-term commitment to you. Your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Yeah, definitely your person waiting for you, and definitely they don't want to give up on you. Yeah, so this is the reading for you, Sagittarius. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Click the bell icon, then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my videos. Bye.